now with the Rawlings, if we no ne, I hope say we share Zaneto Rawlings. Any new Amina Rawlings ne Yas Antoine Rawlings. Obukwa Akufo-Addo ho to officially announce to him so papa. Now I found it very interesting and funny at the same time, and I would like to comment. So we share video now. Now he said the omo papa ewo no asiamo ma butua. A lesson to all of us. Wo Zaneto o papa nkwase asem a obedi ni Ghana wudi pa kum nipa ma mema ma kwantian do. Yakokan no asori agina. Ahun se o papa wuye de wanya o mampanyi bi kobo na mane. Na ye de mukoye nyina na Akufo-Addo emeye o papa yi o. O man state burial. And this is a man o papa. And Akufo-Addo, I'm so proud of him. He didn't waste time and his breath. He went straight in telling them right to their face, "Oh papa, ne me na ye man so kese pa edayentem." We had a tempestuous relationship for many years, but in the end, we all came together and saw value in ourselves. Now, woman Nimunyansa, Kobun se wo ka wo mu twi pa. Osaka saying be see, he was definitely a vibrant, energetic man, and to see him lying in a morgue is something else. Now, as improbable as it may seem, no, unfortunately, that is life, the reality of life. That creating. So this is a man. Great watch my Rawlings. Mama, me maybe crowd was say Akufo-Addo enye lawyer. Wan ko law school bia. Ana de Mahama kan no yampa. Ghanaians have short memories. Why? Maybe, but not all of us. Me de mini short memory. I saw the horrors of 1979. Rawlings in Yeku. I was 12 years. Me huma mesia ye sabi ye bo me deja and tomaki si guye maame nom ene enua maa nom ene ensiwa nom asene na young boys yi twa wo ma bi okra ye ba wo mu na mu na sebe wo maja pade mu ye twa wo mu ma Kumasi Post Dr. Namiko City of Kumasi Preparatory School Yija Tech na school bus ebesimi wo KJT Kumasi Post na manante akome papa eyire store na wadum Kataban House former you want to say SIC State Insurance Corporation yene omo ayina na ebo ho store so now I had the golden opportunity to witness all these things, the floggings, the beatings. You couldn't give I saw it. 81 couldn't survive. Woma wuku omu nyina no wa makwan ame woma ye. They never had the chance. They never had a chance. So ombekwa akobo busuani bimpo amania ameye di 1 week, near di omu 40 days, near your ye. So many years, ufri so na for buy, and these horrified children of the very generous are ukuomo for nothing. One tram, one your you talk about corruption. Wusika wabedi ni Ghana na ebini wo party na wo tie no aduaba bone ya wudua na na de John Mahama betra Ghana so a woni ni nua Ibrahim Mahama aduo ma na wudi nkwasasem edo de mu kwatwitio nkoku no Rawlings na wo na wawu no. Yes, I forgive him, but I will never forget. Two different things. We can forgive, but we should never forget. We should tell the present generation who never witnessed all these things, and our future generation, say, another Rawlings somewhere in Ghana, to serve as a deterrent. So what you say? Zaneto said, mukwa Akufo-Addo anim ye ma wo papa state burial General Akwesi Amankwa free for Katechi ye man state burial General Champo ye man state burial General Kufu ye man state burial Amedome Kote Sankrofoni nyina no ye ma state burial utuka ye man state burial wo sorry na June 4th no you add insults to injury now be jona kan kwasasem no Odate Wellington his body was riddled with bullets. How can you be so ruthless and merciless and heartless after all these years? President Kufuor had to spend state money, taxpayers' money, to bring experts from America, forensic experts, American forensic experts, any FBI, to come. Woman dump and yes, a mass grave cracker, you just dump their bodies. It in the night say ye DNA. Woman mano, na ye ko near ko search baby out to two ungu basa near ko who mufunu, na ye two, na ye more quine is see. Give them a proper fitting burial. I know crowd ya more state burial. Ya more state burial. Zaneto wako school Ghana how na yen kama wonti. Ya papa nkwasasem obedi ni Ghana no yen kama wonti ohun se de mosia mo agina okredo agima Rawlings kwasasem a wodi ni Ghana no uma yagije nkrofo ntoma wo me I sorry it all way nobody American be say nobody can tell me nothing almost so brofo no British nebeka say you can't tell me anything. That time 79 say we want tuma more than 10. Rawlings say wa hodun tuma. You bo refiamu won tuma ye more than 10. You be boa wan hwe ebobo tuo ya sesa won tuma nyina nya tuo obia bre. We are Ghanaians. Your traditional wear and tuma no. Eti director who is all want tuma and now you don't want tuma more than 10. Wa hodo. Where in the world can all this nonsense happen except in Ghana? My Rawlings, what 31st December say state money and swam can release on your mano. Conflict of interest. We are first lady, know what to me your town state asset at the amount. Conflict of interest up to now. Yen can't want some. Oh my dean. Now no yankwati krana. Sansa sick a searing in ano. What the amount foreigner you be what time more and they're crapping for so mumping. That's their land. So, and the credit judge my Rawlings on say you are nowhere to be seen. On say that's also obey a widow. And now also obey a widow. Who could cry out money to Gun and Massimo? Oh, we are no. How devastating it is for you. How such a great loss it is for you. Of course, yeah. Of course, yeah. I've lost my father. Minim said ye a job way sit here. I've lost my mom. Minim said ye a no way sit here. And all mothers, they know and feel your pain. They empathize with you. They sympathize with you. But the question is, did you sympathize with them? Did you have empathy even for them? Were you able, as a woman and as a wife and as a mother, place yourself in their shoes? Credit watch my Rawlings and I only you can buy any man can for a sink out dear nimu a Akufo-Addo Jubilee House. But also your conscience is pricking you so bad. They say, when to me uncle. Up to now, you are nowhere to be seen. Of course, you are devastated. You lost your husband. It is painful and devastating loss. Of course, we feel your pain. We share your pain. But did you have the same thing for those children? Safwa yedi kofa sakas no, edi ko rando judges no, edi kwa Japan papa, and a military officer, was it Aqua? Yes. Eko kuo muni nipa for no. Free with table so. With dining table so Craig my Rawlings. When you kunu Rawlings mo dining table so and your coffers are for any free. That time no na Addo Justice Addo no 2 weeks. Graduate Rawlings make house and would audio maybe it will go around all the world. Not my menu 2 weeks. She obabesi afe na akra ketua a winning baby 2 weeks. I will hear no for. You rape their mother, his or her mother. Me nimsa we be man no ba. Akra no nwe nyame nka no ho. Rape his or her mother. And I'm mokochi no ku amedaka no me Tony tekpo ni sa wudifo no. Ku mo wie no na masa hwie gasoline egu omo so apejatum na nyame a won pebone no tonsu egu so nti sa captain anko mo dead body cranky hu. And so you denied and denied and denied. Oh, asma a champon bano kano. What's the Rawlings die too easy? Na asama do wo ho ampa wo bekwa akoto katachia kwasia mankwa free for general katachia obekwa akoto amedome general amedome obekwa akoto general utuka obekwa akoto general akufu FWK akufu Fred obekwa akoto no obekwa akoto air vice marshal yaboachi nipa wono no na wo fail you exams for 7 times no pewa simtino or ma you what they say advanced questions. Okay, these are fast. What the ma wo out me pass it finally. And I would do and I'm not to plane. He was a air vice marshal. And a rare admiral Dome. Utuka ukuno. General Kote ukuno. What more keka ho no de bebre innocent people di for sare brother Mwakwa Otsuma me yekuku no ofrakra eba akoye crusade na Tego sisters nka ho mu prepare odi for sare ya wo me ye bebo ni tio ku no she no kumasa bontin so all these people na samado wo ho ampa na wo ho hates is in the Bible. The Greeks call it Sheol, Hebrew hates obekwa akoto wo mo ho. Now, said a champon banner cano. She wonders how you answer to these people. And I am out state burial. How will you feel? So, who know your mouse and your torch? Bible say, so who ness ya ye ya mouth 15 burial, cramampo, and who won't fast wrestling. Or him Solomon and a Casano, the wisest can ever live on the face of the earth. How you treated former generals and former heads of state. Kill them without trial. I made them any problem. They say, also a loan 50,000. And yes, what could you a loan? No, corruption. Who is more corrupt than you? Except John Mahama and his Ibrahim Mahama, his brother. Rawlings. Obey ku. Now one kasa wenum tone. Now the kayoku gareni apeteshi. Okay? Yegugu Sisia, one of the 10 richest men in Ghana. Rawlings, you are worth not less than $10 million, American dollars. Google it, you see, Force Magazine. These are facts. How in the world did you come up with this money? Ghana, you talk, say, as Gracia, you demand, so be your man, so no. Say, any demand, what me acquired that immense wealth. World millionaires, and what can you are a millionaire. World club of millionaire, exclusive club, no, Rawlings is part of, because your wealth when you're Ghana city, so American dollars, United States dollars, 50 million, not less than that. That's your financial wealth. So, yes, I have lost my dad. And I still miss him. But the question is, did you have that sympathy for those you murdered without trial? Now, Afibiano will celebrate. You never apologize to the nation. You never apologize to all those widows and widowers because of your murderous activity in Tino. Huh? Akufo-Addo Kansempa. He was a very energetic, yes, charismatic, yes, very handsome guy, articulate, fluent, powerful orator. Yes. But then they wouldn't watch him with that morgan. It is appointed unto man to die once, and after death, judgment. Shakespeare say, death smiles on all of us. Death smiles on all of us. Okay? It's obia bewu. Asantefo akasa yempanyufo yesi watwe de ba konfro. Obia bewu. Obia nku a wa bewu. Rawlings who no no. Na ne manu a o ma ye mobo no, I feel for them. Eya to lose because I've lost my dad. I wish my dad was still alive. I wish ka obeye nieme pi diaboa me. Mimpenyi viesu kra no ko beye niema at least to call him dad and the wisdom and then the instructions and the knowledge and the experience and come any beji some papatias. So I know how it feels and I empathize with his children. But the question remains, woman who kwe champon bana kasa now, she was just 6 years. What corruption? Fine. Did you try him? Now what try now? I don't know. No crowd you try corruption, but you move to Ghana. Your criminal code, you know. Corruption you move to firing squad. Kwampe prano niya diade. What they say? Sa my NDC ni me refinidi. Ewe my kofo di omutu mo no. Financial loss, causing financial loss against the state of Ghana. One obey Samrano. Kufo Kuomo. What do you want to and what you can was our party omo. Alright? Medibesia, but yes, you can simbi. People refer to that as the golden rule. Matthew 17:28. Whatever you want men to do for you, do also the same for them. The opese nipa enyama no wonsu ye saa fama won. Ene we ye mount state burial. Na esenka wo after all the brouhaha ni confusion ni bloodshed no. Na esenka utimi ma wo state burial. Na esenka that time in 79 ya mu obi akura nsu ye kum katachie num e champon num what they say akufu num all the generals 9 generals no ya mu obi nsu. I'm saying your children have the privilege. I call it privilege. They don't deserve it. Trust me, they don't deserve to cry and seek empathy and sympathy from anybody, especially those whom your dad murdered in cold blood. They don't deserve it. But humanitarian, you know, omunsu. Eya ejewo eya enewe ya omunsu. Also betimi awoku that time when ene betimi akwa akrampo waba wo Rawlings anim te wakuye papa ntie anye ayi kwa me anye. It took so many years President Kufuor time no be ma kwan just wasting state money, taxpayers money for American forensic experts and FBI agents from all the way from the United States. A bad bay exhuming bad in ye DNA, a cababre and son a young macam my ye. The bush for ye. Eh, yeah, great watching my Rawlings and also wushu. Cast your mind back. Go down the memory lane. And remember, reminisce how painful it was for all those widows and widowers when their wives and husbands were murdered in Ghana. Expert scratches in Nipa Rawlings school a chain Idi Amin of Uganda. Google all these things. These are facts. Okay, now it takes boldness and fearlessness and faithfulness and truthfulness for some people, someone like me, to come out boldly and talk about all these things. Of course, I sympathize with Rawlings. Yeah, not because we're a former military dictator, we're a former president. It's no. Life is sacred. Life is a sanctity. Okay? I don't know what you say. Reuben, our plan is to shed no blood. What does it mean? God is the sole creator of humankind, and therefore he only has the sole prerogative to take anybody's life. He only. Ọnwa ọba ade no nkwa ne timiji enipa nkwa free nsam. Nipa bia obeye se bia no ku enunti ena kai eku ni nua Abel no. His blood was crying. Munnim Awurade no menka kire mo. There's life in the blood. Our Bible mu. And it speaks. Ade bia life wo bia no. It moves. It has a being. Eti kendia no okudi nua na sie no. Official Radin, but a ratty team friend. Where is your brother? No, John and him. Am I the keeper of my brother? No, it's in the blood. It's speaking to me. The blood speaks. Their blood has been speaking to God. Is it any wonder that we yes is in 1983? That time I'm Kumasi High School. Kuhis. Namu Form 3. A come see Ghana no. And when she locust invasion, and when she na a be crab by near a weed be a friend a champon, a bear champon times into a tune a champon. No, but during that time, a bear more gun and you pay a cum say you see so fired. The Bible calls these things, place. Bible never and you been a radical Egyptians and also no farming. Locust invasion, one of the 7 plagues na nyamidi gu Egyptians no as punishment in ebino no ebisi wo Ghana mo amanhunu ni mo amuhu ya mo myopia short memory no said the Mahama kan no menkai mo I was in Kumasi High School me 4 years separate ya krekre ho didi aduane basa manipa wuyin ya rebebre. Because God was aggrieved and angry at the senselessness of bloodshed by Rawlings and his murderous cohorts. Okay? The American said, I'm not a judge. I can't judge it. God is the only true judge. But let us tell the truth. He had the good side. And he had a bad side. Yes. Yan can you know Nipe wa yan can some nonsense. Nipe wa yan can some nonsense. And cause I some obedia yanka and yama Rawlings yes yanka. People are saying oh one did a democratic principles ebay. We all saw what happened. It took Justice D.F. Addo and a convincing because the world community catch them and say, so why I'm free, sa dictatorship, a year, low I deal on young farm, mamo, IMF and mama assistance, financial assistance, World Bank and mamu aid. If you need that time that will destroy economy, no. If you need all this financial assistance now, then Jaisa military dictatorship, no, na yentuaba. There's a word for it. 10 coach. And what the 2. 92 elections here, who do you see here? Stolen verdict now, what do you say? Oh, MPP, a Ukrainian friend say. The Dikra, I hear from my name, CCA. I do want him. Actually, we all saw it. The election was stolen. Ketu nibe kwa Israel 92 mekofa hoko Ivory Coast. If you are a sick Ketu those days, new 15 kra and so Rawlings nya more than about 30,000 votes. nipa sɛ na ne wo ketu nipa sɛ na ne wo ketu hɔ no nipa sɛ nso nipa na ɛte hɔ no enu enu 1000 kra deserted place. General Erskine, former what they say United Nations peacekeeping commander, he was one of the candidates 92 election. One to man one in ma eba winya zero on one constituency. I'm over TV susu say Ghana for nyina kra ankai do yema o man no so odin nkwato ho ma o man na now let's say now what about himself? Will he hate himself? Will he vote against himself? Now the master or then the mark to the same day constituency and the polling station, sorry. And so the honor when you're zero, General Erskine. 82 elections and was stolen. 96, the same thing. It took the patience and maturity and understanding and humility of President Kofi Annan. Munyamano, after all, se say no am now na achichire no 96 what transfer 4 years no. Ebeso. Okay? Ultimate stand bill. And Ghana for tiase. 2000 elections, Atamis Adiba and Elusu, It's on record that you wanted to hijack the handover, like in 1979. It took that time Army Commander Brigadier Akafia. The two strong one is say, look, I'm an ewe like you. Because the same obedini Ghana no swan she not this time around what tempt ya mia mechiwokum. Because if we allow you to destroy the democratic principles that are set in place, and institutions that we've set in place now. Can we say airways in Ghana are a small and fragile minority, and to question you na ibu. Intimate now nipa baako. Wunti ni nipa pi enhwe won nkwa. That is why Kofo Baye Brigadier Kafia or reward no or call retirement or then to ambassador in Brazil, Ghana's ambassador in Brazil. And some part of me ya to honeno. Na kure do atuma Rawlings o mesu mi enhe. Ya ne e won kai ni de beka say sir. Penfo so obi ebewo treat you bia so say yampa. Say yampa kure do atuma Rawlings wo gire kumasi e kan kwasasem emre bi atwam kura na ase na mete ha. Me kura ase na me firi ha. Bie ni wade ne mpanyfo se wode ni nsa benkum kire opapa ekuru mu kwan kire kuma se Ashtown baabi ana wote ha kura na mre bi atwam ase na metia me kura na ase be free ha antoa na wo free and I'm a daughter of the golden stool no asantini bia ye golda a son or daughter of the golden stool but wo men akonya no wo free antoa na ofre antoafo no wo ka otumfo no mahemfio oyokwa abusua no ho they not part of it me asunko adidi na next time no we no udi be ya futuro eya I sympathize my heart and prayers and thoughts go out with you Addo Rawlings and your children and the entire bereaved Rawlings family. And then Colano. But I'll still maintain what Jesus said in Matthew 17:28. Whatever you want men to do for you, do also the same for them. That is the golden rule. May that Sinyaminka director.